Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the fillet and the chamfer command available in the sketching menu. Sketch the front plane, and we have to draw some lines in order to draw the fillets. We have to select the fillet command from the menu, that is the sketch fillet. There are two types of fillet, sketch fillet and the feature fillets, or you can say the part fillet. Sketch fillet, this is the radius of the fillet. Whenever we click on the edge of the two lines, it converted into the fillet form. This is the fillet form, or you can say the radius form. That is, the radius is formed on the edge of the sketch. This is called the fillet. This is how we are making the fillet in the sketching menu. All those lines are converted into the round form or in the fillet form. The next is the chamfer form. How we can use the chamfer? Again, we will draw some lines. We will end the line command here, and from this menu the next is the sketch chamfer. We will select the sketch chamfer. It has the two options available, as you can see, angle and the distance, and the second is the distance to distance. Distance to distance mean distance from this corner point, the horizontal distance on this line and the distance on the this line. Whenever I click on the this point, and it will be converted into the chamfer form, same like that. And again I'm clicking on this point, and this will also be converted, and this point, and it goes on. The radius and the distance which have been